Meaning of hatstand.
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 Hatstand. A hatstand is a piece of furniture designed to hold and display hats. It typically consists of a central pole or post with multiple arms extending outwards at the top, each with a hook or peg for hanging a hat. Hatstands can come in a variety of styles, from modern and sleek to more traditional and ornate designs. They are often used in homes, hotels, and other establishments as a convenient and stylish way to organize and store hats. The word hatstand is an example of a compound noun, where two or more words are combined to create a new word with a unique meaning.